Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Amana Dryer Parts is probably one of the most essential components to keep your laundry routine running smoothly, ensuring that your clothes come out perfectly dry every time without any hassle. When your trusty Amana Dryer starts acting up, whether it's failing to heat, tumbling erratically, or making unusual noises, finding the right replacement parts becomes a top priority to restore its functionality and avoid the inconvenience of a broken appliance. This video will guide you through identifying and selecting the most compatible and durable parts for your specific Amana Dryer model, helping you make an informed decision to get your machine back in top working condition efficiently and cost-effectively. Number 5. 2026 Upgrade Dryer Heating Element Kit 279838. Introducing the 2026 Upgrade Dryer Heating Element Kit. This kit offers exceptional heat and abrasion resistance, ensuring a longer lifespan than standard replacement parts. This comprehensive package includes the heating element, multiple thermostats, a thermal fuse, and a thermal cutoff kit, along with jumper wire terminals and screws for a complete repair. It directly replaces numerous part numbers and is designed to fit most Whirlpool, Kenmore, Maytag, and other major dryer brands, making it a versatile solution. Our professional service team is available to ensure compatibility with your specific dryer model. We stand by our product with a 2-year warranty for your peace of mind. Crafted with a high nickel chromium content and a longer heating wire, this element is built for durability and consistent performance, providing reliable heat for your dryer. Enjoy extended peace of mind with our 2-year warranty, covering any issues you may encounter with this essential dryer component. What we like. This heating element boasts a high nickel chromium content for superior durability and a longer heating wire for more efficient drying. If you're looking for a robust replacement that includes essential accessories like thermostats and fuses, this is a solid choice. It's ideal for those who want a comprehensive kit to get their dryer back in top shape with minimal fuss. What people say. The Amana Dryer Parts are a perfect fit for my model, ensuring smooth operation. I was impressed by the quality of the Amana Dryer Parts. They feel very durable and well made. Installation of the Amana Dryer Parts was straightforward, and they function exactly as expected. Number 4. Romalon Upgraded Dryer Heating Element 279838. Discover the newly upgraded dryer heating element, designed for enhanced durability and safety. It features a corrosion-resistant stainless steel construction and an added heat insulation layer for improved performance. Crafted with a focus on longevity, this heating element utilizes a more robust stainless steel material that resists rust and deformation. The external insulation layer further protects the dryer's main body, ensuring a safer operation. This product comes as a complete kit, including the upgraded heating element along with essential components like thermostats and thermal fuses. It simplifies the repair process by providing all necessary parts in one package. Designed to fit a vast range of dryer models from popular brands like Whirlpool, Kenmore, Maytag, and Amana. Its versatile design ensures it can replace over 1,300 different dryer models, making it a convenient choice for many households. Rated at 5,400 watts and 240 volts, it features a longer heating wire for more efficient drying. We stand by its quality with a 3-year after-sales service, offering replacements or refunds for any quality-related issues. With 7 years of experience in selling dryer heating wires, we are committed to providing reliable parts. Our 24-hour online service team is always ready to assist you with any questions or concerns you may have. What we like. Featuring an upgraded stainless steel heating plate that resists corrosion and deformation, along with an added heat insulation layer for enhanced safety. If you prioritize long-term material quality and a peace of mind with a 3-year after-sales service, this option is worth considering. It's perfect for users who want a durable and safe heating element that lasts. What people say. The dryer parts were a perfect fit for my Amana dryer. The installation was straightforward and the parts worked as expected. High-quality materials were used in the construction of these dryer parts. Number 3. 4392065 Dryer Repair Kit. Ensure your dryer runs smoothly with our premium replacement parts. They are built to last, offering exceptional durability and corrosion resistance, even under high temperatures. These parts meet or exceed original manufacturer specifications for perfect fit and performance. This kit is designed for a wide range of dryer models and brands, including Whirlpool, Kenmore, Maytag, and Amana. It's a convenient replacement for numerous part numbers, ensuring a great fit for your appliance. You can easily install this repair kit yourself, even with basic tools, in about 30 minutes. It meets OEM standards and is perfect for various brand dryer parts. Remember to wear gloves and clean the dryer before starting. Is your dryer making loud noises, not starting, or not heating properly? This kit is the solution. It effectively addresses drum turning issues, squeaking, and insufficient heat, restoring your dryer to optimal function. This comprehensive maintenance kit includes a dryer belt, drum rollers, and an idler pulley. We also provide a clear user manual and 24-hour online customer service to assist you with any questions. What we like? This repair kit is crafted from premium, durable materials designed to withstand high temperatures and continuous use. If your dryer is experiencing issues like noise, not tumbling, or insufficient heat, and you prefer a straightforward DIY fix, this kit is an excellent solution. It's designed for easy installation, making it suitable for beginners looking to save on repair costs. What people say. The Amana Dryer Parts are a perfect fit for my dryer model. Installation was straightforward and the parts are made of durable material. The dryer is now heating efficiently and drying clothes much faster. Number 2. AMI Parts 2798838W10724237 Dryer Heating Element. Introducing the AMI Parts 2798838W10724237 Dryer Heating Element, designed for optimal performance. This essential part ensures your dryer runs efficiently. This heating element is compatible with a wide range of popular brands including Whirlpool, Kenmore, and Maytag. If you're unsure about compatibility, our team is ready to assist you. The package includes the 2798838 dryer heating element, a thermal fuse, and a thermal cutoff kit. It's everything you need for a comprehensive repair. Engineered with high-quality nickel, this element boasts a rated power of 5,400 watts at 240 volts. It's designed to meet OEM manufacturing requirements for durability and efficiency. Installation is straightforward, making it a great DIY project. We recommend wearing gloves and disconnecting power before starting. Tools like needle nose pliers and a screwdriver may be helpful. We stand behind the quality of our heating element. Our professional support team is available to provide a satisfactory solution within 12 hours if you encounter any issues. What we like? This heating element stands out with its high nickel content, ensuring superior performance and longevity, while meeting OEM manufacturing requirements. If you're seeking a reliable replacement part that offers excellent value and comes with prompt, professional customer support for any issues, this is a great pick. It's ideal for those who want a quality part and responsive service. What people say. The part was an exact fit for my Amana dryer. It was easy to install and the dryer works like new again. The quality of the part seems very good and durable. Number 1. Baeaquicy 4392065 Dryer Maintenance Repair Kit. Introducing the upgraded 4392065 Dryer Maintenance Repair Kit. This comprehensive kit is designed to restore your dryer's optimal performance and ensure efficient drying. This value pack includes a 69136 idler pulley to maintain belt tension, a 341241 dryer drum belt for smooth rotation, and a 349241T rear drum support roller kit with rollers and necessary hardware. Crafted from strong plastic, rubber, and stainless steel, these parts are built to last, preventing cracking and failure. Enjoy a smooth, non-toxic, and break-resistant experience. This repair kit is compatible with most 29-inch wide dryers from popular brands like Whirlpool, Kenmore, and others. It replaces numerous part numbers, ensuring a great fit for your appliance. Replacing these parts is a simple DIY project. Disconnect power before starting, and follow online guides for a straightforward installation process. It fixes common issues like stopping, noise, and tumbling problems. We stand by the quality of our product with a 365-day after-sales service guarantee. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like? This is a value-packed maintenance kit designed for 29 wide dryers, including essential components like the idler pulley, belt, and drum rollers. If you're looking for a complete solution to common dryer problems such as noise or tumbling issues, and appreciate the security of a 365-day guarantee, this kit is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for a comprehensive DIY repair with confidence. What people say. The dryer parts are a perfect fit for my Amana dryer, and installation was straightforward. I was impressed by the quality of the materials used in these replacement parts. They feel durable and well-made. The new heating element works efficiently, restoring my dryer's performance to like-new condition. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.